Spine. Shrieking skull will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.
Hello everyone and welcome back once again to Learning English with Mr. Brown. Okay, today's expression is a little bird told me. A little bird told me. Okay, this expression is said in case you don't want to reveal the source of your secret or the source of your information. Let's make it very clear by having a very vivid example. Okay. Jack, I have heard that you have finally fallen in love with Emma. Oh, who told you that? Oh, a little bird told me. So in this case, I don't want to mention the one who has told me that Jack has fallen in love with Emma. Instead of mentioning the name, I said a little bird told me. A little bird told me. Alright guys, I hope you got it. Thank you so much indeed for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.